सतेश भाई 2 मिनट में आ रहे हैं चल के। ओके
हाँ सर, आ जाओ आराम से। अरे अनिल जी, वो अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं 2 मिनट में।
ओके ओके ठीक है। आपको फोन कर रहा था कि लिंक
स्वदेश साहब, थोड़ा ऑडियंस आ जाए ना, उसके बाद करना, क्योंकि पोल में अपने को आंसर मिले, मतलब एटलीस्ट थोड़े बहुत।
मेरे को 30 लोग 40 लोग दिख रहे हैं।
30-40 दिख रहे हैं ना, गुड।
ये 4:05 पे मैं वीडियो चला दूंगा।
तो मैं कॉल अब आम मिलेगा।
Your Instagram, you were driven there in a limousine. It was a 4-day celebration, wasn't it? There's so much more.
अनिल
हाँ सर
अनिल
जी।
सर, मैं बस अनिल सर मैं वीडियो चला रहा हूँ अभी 4-3 हो गया है, वीडियो खत्म होगा तो 4-4:30-5 हो जाएगा।
नहीं तो वीडियो स्टार्ट तभी कीजिए जब लोग ज्वाइन कर जाएंगे ना, सो दैट पीपल कैन सी।
ज्वाइन हो गए हैं, तभी तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
ओके ठीक है ठीक है। Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Digital to Big Forum brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. This is Anil Chaube, your host for the day, and I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself and your families. Do Big Forum is a learning and awareness platform where we try and address few of the most critical technology subject and bring forth an opportunity to interact with technology and solution expert. With an engaging digital ecosystem at work, it is necessary for organization to stay ahead of competition, continue to drive better customer experience, be resilient, agile, and adaptive. While work gets smarter, customer experiences are getting reimagined, becoming more dynamic, personalized, interactive, and engaging. And we, as a Tata Tele Business Services, is committed to work closely with organizations of all sizes by bringing new and innovative solutions which reduce the gap between businesses and customer and drive better efficiency. In this pursuit, today we have brought an interesting topic, especially for business and IT leaders like you. The topic will help us to understand the importance of bringing technology in customer communication space and how a right solution can raise a bar in driving wow customer experiences and changing face of cybersecurity, enterprise security risk, driver of cybersecurity and case studies. So before starting the session, I would like to take few opinion of yours via poll. So I would request each of the participants to please click on the right side tab available. Right side tab is available for the poll questions. So you can click on the poll button and you will be able to see first questions for the poll. So first question for the poll is, what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable opinion through poll. What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruptions, availability of finance, business continuity and operational resiliency, business growth and expansion. We have 30 seconds to vote for this poll. 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds left. Moving on to the next poll. What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, software and hardware, upgrading infrastructure like internet, cloud, connectivity, and other telecom solutions, operations, marketing, and sales. I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable opinion for this poll. We have 30 seconds to go for this poll. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Moving on the next poll. Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Collaboration solutions like Zoom, web conferencing solutions, smart flow, etc. IoT solutions like vehicle tracking, connectivity solutions, data and voice, MPLS, PRI, SIP trunk, toll free, etc. Cloud and SaaS, security solutions. We have 30 seconds to go for this poll. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Moving on to the next poll. Which of our product and solutions are of your interest? Which of our product and solutions are of your interest? Cybersecurity solutions, IoT solutions like fleet tracking, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, and assets tracking. Voice connectivity for remote access, dedicated internet bandwidth, and Zoom. We have 30 seconds to vote for this poll. I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable opinion through poll. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Thank you for the participating in polls. So before starting the sessions, I would like to set some house rules. Like this session will be for the next 45 minutes, followed by the question and answer. And all the attendees will be on mute and listen mode only. And if you have any query during the session, I would request you to write in Q&A box, which is available on the screen at right side, and we will take each questions after the second. So without taking much time, now I would quickly introduce you to our eminent speaker, Mr. Amit Chadha, Senior Manager Marketing from Tata Tele Business Services, and I would request him to please take the session ahead. Amit sir, over to you.
Thank you, Anil. Hope my audio is clear and video and PPT is visible. Okay. So good evening, everyone. My name is Amit Chadha, and I will be taking you through modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. So this is a very challenging time, and every organizations are facing big time challenges to improve their operational efficiencies and growth. Also, the economy of organizations are disturbed due to this pandemic. But during this pandemic, telecom companies are playing a very crucial role and enabling you to run your business efficiently during work from home, or you can say work from anywhere. And Tata Tele Business Services is one of them. So I start with a quote like, in the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most effectively have prevailed, said by Charles Darwin. You learn, you live, you evolve. Product needs to evolve in order to meet the rising needs of the market and as per the situation. So agenda for the day would be technological landscape, SME landscape, challenges faced by SMEs, followed by question and answers. So only thing that is constant is change. We hear it often, and it's so often that we have stopped paying attention to it. So I have added one more phrase to it called as disruption. So now the only thing that is constant is change and disruption as well. So what's happening to the SMEs? So some trends enabling agility for SMEs, like SMEs are looking for three major things. One is BCP, that is cloud, and third is security. So BCP is business continuity plan, cloud, and security. Redefining business continuity plan, that is BCP. First is lower business interruption costs, act according to plan. SMEs have to resume operations immediately. They have to fulfill the regulatory compliance as well. Security is critical for SMEs, and they have to create an integrated risk management system by themselves. So this is redefining of business continuity plan. Business challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic. First was employee tracking, keeping a track of the employees to follow work from home protocols, unable to connect distance team members face to face, unable to connect customers face to face, accessibility to servers and applications, as unable to access office data, servers and application as we are working from home, unable to access office infrastructures like telephone, desk, etc., as there is lack of security, and unable to access PBS infra like voice regulation, that is mobile phone, etc. So these were the challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic. But it was not disruption if you're ready for it. Disruption is coming the way. The difference between panic and poise is preparation. By going digital, you give your organization the ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunities. So just to give you an example, like the companies who were not using any digital means or were not digital. So they were the companies who were impacted the most, and the ones who were using digital means were less impacted. Were less impacted. So digital, when I say digital adoption, so digital adoption by Indian SMEs, that is smart digital adoption, is the key of unlocking the full business potential of SMEs and SMBs in the current situation. So 43% of the SMEs use various platforms, internet platforms, to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMEs in India believe that digital adoption is the key to their success. And 73% of the Indian SMEs are confident of bouncing back post the COVID. So this particular data or source is from SMEstreet.in. And now what are you waiting for? So 5 simple guidelines on technology for SMEs. First is rent it, do not own it. Obsolescence is a huge burden, and technology is not a real estate that will appreciate. So when I say technology is not a real estate that will appreciate, so giving you just example, if you are going to the market and purchasing a mobile phone, and after 1 month or so you get a new mobile phone in the market, a new brand, a new mobile phone is launched with some camera features, some RAM upgraded, some design change, and when you are going and selling that old one again, you're not getting the full amount, right? So basically this happens with technology as well as hardware as well as software. So the best thing would be rent it, do not own it. Second is select fit for purpose versus scale down large solutions. SME needs are unique and simple. SME business process evolve constantly. Bill as you grow, pay as you use. Because unused capacity is costly, and use your capex or your money to grow your core business. Look for integrated solution versus silos of product. In general, the cost of integration is 10x the cost of the product. Ensure there is support. When I say ensure there is support, the IT talent is getting expensive. Ensure your support is linked to your spends and it is not a fixed cost. So these are the 5 simple guidelines on technology for SMEs. Moving on to the smart solutions, what does this mean to you? So smart solutions basically provided by Tata Tele Business Services. So the Tata Tele Business Services strengths. So we have 60,000 plus connected buildings. So all the customers or all the Vimna customers who are listening can be connected to our fiber connectivity. So we have 1,25,000 kilometers of fiber. We have 1,60,000 plus partner market visits we are doing. 1,000 plus enterprise team we have. 40,000 business customers we have. 1,400 plus partners we have. We have presence in 60 plus cities, followed by 1,500 plus channel partner team. So this is the strength of Tata Tele Business Services in terms of infra. And now in terms of product portfolio, we have connectivity, we have security solutions, we have collaborations, we have cloud and SaaS, we have marketing solutions, we have IoT solutions. In terms of connectivity, we have internet lease lines, MPLS VPN, lease lines, PRI, SIP, MPLS, Hub Connect, smart internet. In terms of security solutions, we have email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, multiple factor authentication, and web security. In terms of collaboration, so collaboration, we have document management system, we have webcasting services, we have conferencing services. Cloud and SaaS, we have managed hosting, preparation test, secure connect, smart flow, our cloud, and recently we have launched that is smart flow, our cloud communications suite, which we will talk about later. Then we also have marketing solutions like call register services, digital survey, hosted IVR, live chat, and toll-free services. In terms of IoT, we have asset management, fleet management, school bus tracking, and workforce tracking. So all this portfolio we are having, and we are one-stop shop solution providers for the SMEs and enterprise businesses. So moving on to the product. So I'm not going to discuss on all and each of the product. I'm going to talk about only four or five products which are relevant in the current scenario. So first is smart internet. So smart internet, basically, as you know, internet is bandwidth, and internet, like everyone knows, internet is bandwidth. So recently we have started smart internet, considering work from home. So in this, we have bundled this smart internet, that is internet plus security features with UTM. So it is internet plus UTM. So there were a lot of organizations which were not able to access their office lands during work from home scenario because of security reasons. So we have designed and provided them with a solution wherein we provision ILL along with UTM and VPN client. Once the infrastructure is in place, the work from home users can access all the office intranet applications from their home. So smart internet, it is one-stop solution for your business needs of bandwidth, manageability, work from home, and scalability. It guaranteed you peace of mind in terms of financial and business benefits due to technical capabilities, freedom from worries like difficulty in ownership, deployment, router, management, configuration, everything is done by TTBS. Product features, it provides secure VPN access, it is user authentication, it is easy to be installed like plug and play, it is next generation GUI enhances, it also has a managed security feature. In terms of financial, we have zero capex, higher return on investment. It reduces operational cost. It gives you a better employee productivity. In terms of business, you can work from home, work from anywhere, or you can work on from field or on the go. This is a future-ready product, and it can be scalable as per the business need. So smart internet is a smart digital adoption is the key to unlocking the fulfill business potential of SMEs. So smart internet is bundled with UTM with no additional cost. So it is cost effective, affordable monthly rental that starts with 249 per user. Total scalable starts from 15 users and can go up to 5,000 users. It has wide range of bandwidth. It is available for all bandwidth from 10 Mbps to 5,000 Mbps as a standard offering. It is feature rich with zero capex, so no capex investment, and it comes with a security of UTM. It is plug and play, easy to install, and supports laptops and mobile as well. So giving you an example of smart internet, so there was an operation management company which has a global presence across world, giving 14/7 365 capabilities, and they were into marine operations. They wanted reliable remote access solutions by which they can connect to their international clients as well as office location in India to serve in the timely matter. So how we help? We provided them with our smart internet, which is a complete solution compromising of remote access, managed secure services and security, backed by UTM. They evaluated our expertise in providing the cutting edge solution in this space and deployed remote access for their employees to keep them update every minute for their customers. So this particular product is known as smart internet. So moving on to the next product, that is smart office. So smart office is basically smart office. So smart office is basically one box solution for our business. So this is a one box startup which gives you voice, data, storage, and applications. So you get office data, Wi-Fi, office applications, business applications, firewall, toll-free number, conferencing, and this is a IoT enabled box. So this particular product is called a smart office. This is a box which gives you all the four things, that is voice, data, storage, and application. So in the current situation, if we talk about normally in the current situation, or setting up a new office or a business is not so easy. Like for the SME of size of 40 to 50, more than for 30, or you can say more than 30, you require hardware for storage, you require data and information security, you have to start with broadband and then you can upgrade it later depending upon the size of your organization. You require equipment, router, Wi-Fi, PBX, LAN, etc. You also require best quality of data and voice, which is getting expensive. Office business application is what you use, and you also use specialized IT resources to manage all these things. That is hardware, data, equipments, and business office business applications. So the smart office or the value proposition for smart office box. So basically this is a box which is given free of cost to the customers. So it is so basically it is one-stop solution for the communication and application needs because it is bundled with voice, data storage and application. This is an integrated solution. You have to pay no capex and no AMCs for this particular product. You only have to pay for the services, that is data and voice, and the box will be free of cost for you. And this is a future ready product. So smart office value proposition, like smart office supports 96 telephone extensions, wherein 32 extensions are analog extensions, wherein you can connect your analog phone instrument, and rest 64 extensions are IP extensions, and you can connect your IP phone, whether it's a soft phone or a hard phone. So some of the features of smart office or smart box are, it has best of both the worlds. When I say best of both the worlds, so you can use analog phones as well as IP phones. So it has both the interfaces, analog and IP interfaces. You can reduce the telecom cost for your daily communication of the organization by using this product. Also, your MD can, you have choice of CPs, like your MD can use a video phone at his cabin, and a security might use a analog phone at his cabin or the place. So this particular box is called as Smart Office. So Smart Office fulfills the needs of new startups, SOHOs upgrading from broadband, new branch setups, and business upgrading their legacy, that is hardware and software. So moving on to the next product, that is toll-free services. So there are two types of toll-free numbers available in India, that starts with 1800 and 1860. 1800 is full toll-free number, while 1860 is a partial toll-free number. So need to pay for local call charges. TTL USP is providing iServe web portal, wherein you can route different kind of routing by your own, and you don't have to depend on TTML. So toll-free numbers, it is call free, that is free for the customers. 1800 number, 1800 number, free for the customer, full cost to the company. And call local, that is 1860 number, local call to the customers, and per minute as per agreement to the cost to the company. So the features of toll-free services are, it has a geography-based point of call routing. It has time-based routing. It manages time and day distribution accurately, optimizes call center and manpower cost. Then proportional call distribution, it balances call loads at various locations, optimizes call center and manpower cost. So when I say proportional call distribution, suppose you are having a call center in 2 cities, so you can manage the calls, what time the calls, if there is an inflow of calls at one city more, so you can transfer the calls to the other city. Also, it has condition based routing. A caller never hears a busy tone, and no calls are missed, and customers are serviced on all 365 days. Pin-based routing, it gives customized treatment to each other. It screens all the incoming calls. It optimizes call center and manpower costs. So why to have our toll-free services? First, we have a pan-India coverage. We provide 24/7 monitoring by our network operating center. Third is our state-of-art digital network allows quick and easy rerouted during emergencies. So enabling a communication setup, if we talk about enabling a communication setup, so there were questions like, how do we set up a call center quickly, setup quickly, because most of the people are still working from home. How do we mass calls of employees calling clients from their personal mobile numbers? Face-to-face interactions have reduced. How do we connect better with clients? So these were the challenges, or these are the challenges which might be coming up. So we come up with a product called as Hosted Ivr. So Hosted Ivr is a very good solution for work from home. By using these solutions, you can make and receive calls during work from home. We can provide toll-free number or TN, which your customers can dial, and call can be routed directly on mobile phones. So generally, this solution was used for customer care type of setup, but we have done some customization and enabled it for work from home as well. So HIVR solution overview, it is hosted IVR or interactive voice response. It's a cloud-based voice application that allows business to efficiently connect with its customers. Interactive voice response, like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing. So hosted IVR, so basically setting up a cloud-based IVR system within hours. So it can be, set up very easily. Some of the features of a hosted IVR are it has a seamless customer connect, it has a dynamic call routing, call hunting, analytics. Like agents can receive customer calls on on their mobile while working from home. Dynamic call routing, termination numbers can be changed in few seconds on their own. Call hunting, call hunting to multiple agents. So if one is busy, others can answer the call. Analytics track team's performance, call quality, missed calls to the real time analytics. So this particular product is called as hosted IVR. So just to give you a case study of hosted IVR, so basically it's a company, a global design and engineering services company. So they were basically operational. The problem statement was like the company was looking for switch from desk to a cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the new work from home scenario. So earlier this company was working in two shifts, that is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So DTBS designed a product and provided customers with a separate call hunting groups numbers. That is morning shift. The call is routed to one group of number, and likewise for the evening. Deployment deployment was fast and IVR to meet the customer's deadline. So deployment of the IVR was fast to meet the customer's deadline. So benefit which customers got at the time of lockdown was business continuity during lockdowns, better employee satisfaction because customers can dial from their own mobile and the number is masked, so their number was not visible to the other person. Third is efficient and cost effective solution because most of us don't want our personal numbers to be given to clients whom we don't know, or if we are in the calling setup, we don't want to call from our personal mobile numbers as well. So moving on to the next product, that is international bridging. So international bridging, as the name suggests, this is a special solution for work from home and international callers. So if you are managing any international projects or interacting with international customers, then this is a best solution for you. So this is a end-to-end PSTN solution, and you will be getting a good voice quality through this solution. So the employees can make international calls while working from home without any ISD packets. So some of the features are like it optimize ISD costs, so it avoids purchase and prevent misuse of costly ISD minutes. Secure calling, password protected, ISD calling at employee level, simple to use. Employees can call from anywhere and any phone. No need to install any app. Privacy, it protect privacy of employees' personal number by masking it on the international calls. So this product is called as international bridging. So hosted OBD. So this is a platform wherein you can send recorded messages or a voice message to a larger number of people. Generally, you have seen during the election time, you can receive and hear a recorded message of any politician. So this is the same platform. So hosted OBD is basically an automated outbound dialing solution on a hosted platform that can significantly reduces the turnaround time required to set up a customer experience. The solution compromises of application installed on a hosted platform located outside the customer premises. So some of the features of hosted OBD are it is available as a web-based and API service, campaign lifecycle management tool, online call flow designer, DTMA input integration, and it also has a D&D management. So basically, you can design a campaign. You can put all the numbers to whom you have to want to give the call, the message what you want to give, and you have to just click on a button. So automatically it will dial on behalf of you, and it will go to each and every caller the number which you have given, and you can get the reports as well. So business advantages, first is no capital investment, telco grade services, high reliability, it is a cloud solution, and scalability on demand. So you can scale as per your requirement. So this particular product was used by BFSI, that is banking sectors, ITITS, manufacturing companies, services companies, and also by government at the times of elections and all. So giving you example like the customer, basically ASUS, everyone knows. So this customer had a huge requirement for customer service and support as required to manage excessively large voice volume, that is 3,000 to 4,000 calls per day. So the company was looking to switch from desk-based to cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the new work from home scenarios. So how TTBS helped was, first they provided ASUS with a high-speed internet connectivity for their business. Second was audio conferencing to provide a one-stop shop solution for all the collaboration needs of the company. And then toll-free number lines for parallel business to manage large call volumes, receiving calls from anywhere in the country based on business processes and requirements. So this was product is called as hosted OBD. Everyone knows security is very important nowadays, and security is very important nowadays, and every company is focusing more on security. So we have solutions like email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, multiple factor authentication, and web security. So we are going to talk about endpoint security more here. So basically, what are the cyber security needs here? So one is while browsing the net. Second is by protecting company servers while checking emails and while working from home. So basically, we have like endpoint security is a very important for every organization to protect their assets during work from home. So endpoint security can play a great role here. It is a kind of antivirus, but it is more than an antivirus. It can also work as a software firewall and configure firewall policy. Generally, in work from home, there is no firewall. Hence, this is very effective, and also it is very cost effective as compared to other. So basically, there has been a rise in cyber attacks since COVID-19 outbreak. BSE has also warned Indians about cyber attacks. And then Checkpoint researchers also discovers hackers pushing coronavirus app to take over the Android devices. So why cybersecurity is required? It is required because to protect your applications and hardware, we have full suite of cybersecurity solutions which can help you to protect your applications, email, hardware like laptop, mobile phones, and servers, etc. So some of the components of security offering in terms of endpoint are product, that is data security, endpoint, identify and access management, network security. Second is services, consulting, implementing, testing and operation and incident response. So there has been a new ways of working, use cases for risk mitigation or new ways of working. One is accidental device misuse. Second is user behavior. And third is always connectivity. So these are some of the cases of risk mitigation for new ways of working in work from home scenario. So the components of endpoint security, coming to the components. So we have an application, that is software application. We have analytics. We have administrative portal. We also give you cloud hosting, that is real-time discovery of a and patch management. Administrative portal, policy management, and single view health of status of all the devices within a click of a button. Once you click the button, you will get all the status of the health of your devices. Then also you get security reports and notifications and alerts. So product features of endpoint security, it is like the device supported are Windows, PC, desktop, laptop servers, Mac OS, that is laptop, iOS or smartphones and Android phones. So features, it is an antivirus, it is a spyware, it is an anti-ransomware, it application control, component updates, URL filtering, full disk encryptions. This particular product is powered by Trend Micro. So we have partnered with the Trend Micro for the security product, that is endpoint security. And they are the global leaders in enterprise data and security. And basically, Tata Tele Services has done a partnership because we want all the SMEs to get all the things in one single umbrella, that is TTBS umbrella, and all the solutions, whatever a company or a SMA is looking for under one umbrella, so that one stop shop provider or one vendor can give you all the services which are required for your businesses. So all the features, if you talk about features, all the features are available. Do big is Tata Tele Business Services, endpoint security. So if you go and check the features, all the features are available as far as the competitors are coming, and also at the competitive rates. So this product is called as Endpoint Security, and in the current scenario, security is playing a very important role in the organizations. So moving on to the next product, that is Smart Flow. So Smart Flow is basically a new product which we have recently launched, and this is one of the best solution. It is our cloud telephony solution, which is 100% hosted solution, and there is no infra required like EPPX and physical connectivity like PRI SIP trunk at your office. So you can save your infrastructure cost here. All the features generally you use in case of in-house setup, all are available in SmartFlow. You can make dial-out call to the customers. You can receive incoming call from your customers. Call transfer can be done. Call whispering can be done. Call bargain feature is also there with this particular product, that is SmartFlow. Also, we support API integration so that you can integrate this with your application like CRM, SMS, and WhatsApp. Also, we are offering multiple level IVR and call broadcasting by this proposition. All the incoming and outgoing calls can be recorded for your audit purpose. You can find complete CDR reports and missed call information through this product, that is Smart Flow. This is also a very good solution for work from home users, and companies can look for their employees as well. So why to have a Smart Flow? One is anytime, anywhere communication. That is, it allows minds to go farther from the cubicles. It frees employees from their desk, allows employees to communicate on the go. It reduces operational and capital costs, no bulky infrastructure and storage, only cloud and phone is required. So only it is a cloud phone, so only phone and cloud is required, only internet and phone is required. It works across devices from landline to smartphones. No infrastructure and maintenance cost is there for this particular product. Enterprise grade security and reliability, RESTful API features, that is click to call and number masking is there. Business continuity with 99.5% uptime. It customizable admin portal, and it has access rights. You can get business intelligence. When I say business intelligence, reports and analytics to track agent and project progress on the click, call notes, live call, and data insights. Also, it has voice to text, keyboard mapping, and sentiment and analysis you can do through this particular product. It is on demand, scalable, so you can increase the number of channel. If you think currently you are having 10, you require 15 or 20, you can scale it up. It works efficiently in changing business conditions. It enhances customer experience, that is provide seamless and frictionless customer experience. AI manages call routing with smart IVR menus, plug and play, API integration with multiple applications. Why to have a smart flow? To have inbound solution, because it has inbound solutions, it has click to call solutions, it has missed call solutions, and OBD solutions. So it has toll free number, multiple level IVR, virtual level, CRM integration. It has OTP based calling, number masking, COD verification. Missed call, you can get missed call with outbound integration, missed call with IVR flow. So these are the features of smart flow. So just to give you a case study for this product, so mid-size BPO, I have working with 500 agents working across multiple processes like customer services, lead management, and vendor onboarding and documentation verification. So basically, how the challenges or the how SmartFlow solve their challenges. One is we provided them with the hosted contact centers, which offers a complete call center operational management features like blended queue management, built-in CRM integrations, agent panel, call barging, prioritizing call, back sticky agent, sentiment analysis, and detailed analytic and reports. Also, we provided them with because with this product like AI, because it has a AI which manages call routing with smart IVR menus, and also customer privacy is ensured by number masking. So the numbers, so the personal number will not go to the customers. So the benefits like so they were looking for how to scale up the business outcome across multiple lead generation campaigns, and how to ensure security of customer data while agents are working from home. So like this particular product, like I told you, is our cloud telephony solution, which is a 100% hosted solution. So there is no infra required for EPBX and physical connectivity. It only requires is internet connectivity and a normal phone, or you can dial to the laptop as well. So this particular product was called as Smart Flow. Some of the features of the Smart Flow or benefits: one is innovative product, best reach, bundled services, best SLA, and transparency self-care portal. So like you can get all the details, all the reports within a click of a button. So moving on to the important slide, that is Zoom. Everyone knows Zoom is a collaboration tool, and most of you might be using this services. So just to give you an idea, like so TTBS has partnered with Zoom because again we want all the services which SMA requires under one umbrella and from one vendor and from one solutions provider, that is TTBS, so that you don't have to go for other vendors and you can get the products easily through one vendors. So Tata Tele Business Services come up with Zoom. So as you know, like as a leading provider of digital solutions, TTBS has a deep understanding of customer needs in SME and enterprise segment, and our partnership with Zoom will provide businesses with high unified communication solutions, enabling them to collaborate efficiently and forge more meaningful relations with their ecosystems. And second is, with these solution, business can put all of their communication controls concerns to us and gain access to the best of both the worlds. When I say best of both the worlds, one is including trusted services, and second, user-friendly interface and robust security. So Zoom solution suites. So Zoom comes in two forms. One is Zoom meetings, and second is Zoom webinars. So this particular webinar is also done on Zoom. So you can host online events. Up to 100 interactive video participants can join, and up to 10,000 users can attend this. Automatically, it records event for use and publish. Also, you can broadcast your events on social media. You can integrate with marketing automation to simplify workflows and enjoy unlimited audio for VoIP and global dial-in. That is toll free, applies to 140 countries as well. And Zoom meetings, so say hello to web conferencing. That is an that is a intuitive as a real life conversation with an astonishing simple interface for both end users and IT staff. So Zoom enables a frictionless video communication experience. You can have the calls. So advantages. So basically, in terms of advantages, like it is a one-stop shop for SMEs. So Tata Tele Business Services has a range of services solutions of offerings empowering SMEs and help them accelerate their digital transformation journey. Second is robust security. So it protects all your meetings with multiple layers of security, that is password protection, role-based security, trusted services, managed services with reporting by TTBS with comprehensive SLAs, user-friendly interface that is simply easy to use, product and tools for seamless collaboration across office for home working spaces. So some of the features are one is like security. So you can protect all your meetings with multiple layer of security, that is password protection, role-based security, and waiting rooms can be leveraged for more secure meetings. Zoom also comes with an uptime SLA of 99%, thereby guaranteeing the uninterrupted services, unlimited meetings, operate with no constraint, and schedule as many meetings as you can require without worrying about added pricing. Live transcriptions enable seamless cross-cultural interactions by using our meeting transcription features that ensures participants are never separated by language barrier. Privacy. Zoom was designed from the ground to support user privacy and incorporates policy and control to protect the information with the care and deal themselves. Cloud-based recordings can be stored either locally or via Zoom cloud-based storage facility. You also get marathon meeting session. So marathon meeting session is basically with an upper limit of 30 hours on an individual meetings. Customer can go on meeting and calls for as long as the situation calls without worrying for disruptions. So also you get identification management, remote device control. So when I say remote device control, so allow a fellow participant to temporarily control your keyboard and mouse to facilitate complicated exchanges and interactions over the web. This can be done. Superior meeting experience. So Zoom services feature high definition video, interactive meetings, background noise, and continual performance optimization, of all of which contribute to a superior web conferencing experience. So moving on to the next slide, that is IoT portfolio. So we have covered the security, we have covered smart internet, smart flow. Now moving on to the IoT portfolio. So we have a product called as smart fleet tracking. This is used by cargo and logistic, manufacturing companies, pharmaceutical companies, goods and transport, people transport, schools and colleges, ITS, for school bus tracking. Workforce tracking can be done. Segments using marketing and research, FMCG, service provider, last mile delivery services. They can use our workforce tracking. They can geofence their employees for getting the better productivity. Also, asset tracking can be done. So we have a product called as asset tracking. This is used by courier and logistic company and for high value asset tracking. So this was our IoT product portfolio. So again, some value proposition of our IoT portfolio. One is, again, it is a one shop shop. When I say one shop, it is a single solution provider for all your needs. That is devices plus connectivity plus desktop or mobile application. Google Maps. We use Google Maps to give you the best of the experience, intuitive application, and in-house application which is intuitive and meet customized requirement, integrated sensors, a host of sensors like fuel sensor, temperature sensors, etc. can be installed without any hiccup. OPEX model, you don't have to pay for any devices, pay in monthly or annual rental model. So this particular is IoT value proposition. So with this, I come to my end of my slide. So basically, so if you want more information, you can visit us at www.tatatelebusiness.com. You can go and you can visit all you can download all the case studies. You can download white papers. You can you can check what all services segment wise, what all services you can use, what are the products which can be used by your companies to improve your operational efficiencies. Also, you can subscribe to LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Also, you can tweet us at the rate just you can use our handle Tata Tele Business at the rate just do big, hashtag time to do big. So that's it from my side. Hope these smart solutions will help you to improve your efficiencies and growth in your companies. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Amit sir, for such a wonderful session and the insight on multiple products like security, Zoom, cloud, smart flow, IoT portfolio given by. So we come to the last but important section of the event, which is answering your queries. So please keep posting your queries in Q&A box. We will happy to address and answer all the queries. I would request each of the participants, if you have any query, please post in Q&A box. And meanwhile, we would like to take your valuable feedback too. So please click on feedback tab available on the screen at the right side. You will be able to see a feedback question. I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable feedback as well.
So for the feedback, there is the first feedback on the right hand side in the poll section. It's about how was your overall experience about this webinar? Excellent, good, average, or poor. You can just, you have 10 seconds to give your feedback. Moving on, there is a second feedback. Just right is live now in the poll section box about how is the speaker insight. Excellent, good, average, poor. You have 10 seconds to answer it. Thank you very much. Third feedback, again in the column of poll section. It is live now. About the how was the product insight? Excellent, good, average, poor. We request you all to please submit your feedback. It will help us to improve further. Now the last poll, it's live now. It's about how is your experience about the platform? Excellent, poor, good, average. Request you all to please submit your feedback. Thank you very much. So, Amit and Anil, we don't have any question right now.
Okay.
Anil, over to you.
If you don't have any questions, so with this, I thank you, our eminent speaker, for their great insight, and thank you, audience, for their joining the session on time. So I would say, stay safe and eat healthy and be healthy. So we are ending the webinar for the day. Thank you so much. Thank you for the joining the event on the time. Thank you, Amit sir, for the great insight.